Shut up. So you guys have been pissing me off for real. Like people telling me, oh wow, you graduated with a bachelor's, why are you doing YouTube? Excuse you, it's your life? No, it's not. Yeah. So finish your intro and let's get to the video.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benedict Easy, and we're back again with another video. So you can see this is a different spot, different vibe. We have an actual office now. Yeah, I'm just gonna be showing steps leading to me moving in here. I currently just moved into my new apartment. When I was moving into this new apartment, there were people that were living in the apartment, so I didn't get a chance to see it. So what I asked them to do was to send me over the floor plans. I took it into SketchUp. For people that don't know what SketchUp is, it's basically architecture language. It's a software that you make drawings on. I basically pulled up the walls from the plan and made my space, and actually I started to design my interior space to how I would want it. It was nice to like move into a new place that had more space, because in my last apartment I literally was living in a cube. So far my apartment is not 100%. I'm the only one that's seen it right now. Yeah, if you're on my Instagram, you've probably seen my view. It's a really good view. This video, I'm just telling you guys how I designed it and showing you guys the end product on the digital side, and then I'm going to be showing you guys the actual end product when I do finish. I have a lot more videos coming up in the next couple of days stroke weeks, so if this is your first time of coming to my channel, make sure you subscribe and then turn on the post notification, and let's get to the final video. Alright, first off, so I started by putting up, just making basic lines, putting up the walls. I tried my best to kind of like imagine what the apartment would look like just before I actually moved in, so I can get like an idea of the space, so I can start to fill in like furniture. And as you can see, my living room, at this point I'm just kind of basically adding lines. For the kitchen, I kind of imagined it to be basic and small, and yeah, so I just sort of did it as is. I left it as I thought it would look like, and as for the counter, I mean, from the plans they sent me, they made it to have a dining room, but I didn't think I needed a dining room because I kind of eat and I'm out. I wanted to have like an art wall that had flowers and probably like a wooden frame that I was gonna make by myself. So from design, I hung up my apartment, and going into my bedroom space, I actually wanted like a simple space with just my desk where I'll probably be doing my work. I took the whole plan into Lumion. So I took the drawings into Lumion. Lumion basically lets you put in more texture, nice renderings, and at the end of the day, this is what we got. So let me know if you enjoyed that video. I've been struggling with moving in, actually like arranging my apartment and getting everything set. Also, I'm gonna be, people on my Instagram, when I put a poll up and they asked me to do a tour of the apartment. So since I already just gave you a digital tour, actually, so real quick, this one, the video I just showed you, it's kind of older. Just because like when I actually did see the apartment, now I'm in the apartment, when I actually did see the apartment, I had to make some little changes and like all that. So definitely some things have changed. I have the new updated ones. I did that once. When I saw the apartment, I then made a new one. I'll be putting that probably in the same video as the tour, but Let me know if you actually want to see that tour. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Benedict Easy and have a good rest of your day. Peace.